Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to copy text from screenshot in laptop. So it is very simple. I'm using Windows 11 OS. So Windows 11 providing a feature to copy text from the screen. Okay, not from image, but actually we can use anywhere in laptop screens. So I'm opening this my screenshot. You can see here this is my screenshot, and you can simply press Window key, Shift key, and S key at the same time for getting this pop-up. Okay, window key, shift key, yes, then you will get this pop-up, and here you can see the text extractor tool. Click that, then you can select area by clicking mouse left click and drag the mouse like this for selecting the text, and leave it without any internet connection. You can see here my internet not connected. You can see here there is no internet connection, so we can simply copy anything from here. I'm copy this how to change photo DPI, just copying this, and after selecting you will get this pop-up. Click on that copy, then that will be gone. You cannot copy another one. If you want to copy another line, you must press once again the same method. Click here, selecting. So that's annoying, I don't like. And also you can on a single time you can copy all of this text. Okay, so that's it guys, and we simply paste that here. How to change photo DPI in paint, you can see here. So that's working. So in this way you can simply copy text from screenshot in laptop. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.